In the wild, encounters between a porcupine and a leopard are tense and potentially perilous. The leopard, a skilled hunter, may stalk the porcupine for a meal. However, the porcupine's defense mechanism is its array of quills, barbed spines covering its body. When threatened, the porcupine erects its quills, turning into a formidable adversary. As the leopard approaches, the porcupine may lunge backward, aiming its quills at the predator. If the leopard gets too close, it risks injury from the sharp quills, leading to painful wounds or even infections. Such encounters often end with the leopard retreating, realizing the porcupine's defense is a formidable deterrent. Nature's conflicts underscore the survival strategies each species employs, showcasing the fascinating adaptations creatures develop in the struggle for survival.